Hey guys, come with the kiddos and I on an adventure. We're going to Watkins Park. It's located in Maryland. They have a farm there, and they also have a nature center and a park. They have a lot of different things to do, so that's what we're on our way to. Let's go. A hissing cockroach.
Oh yeah. Those look like it's a hissing cockroach.
I said that.
When you grab those things, they hiss at you.
What? There's a scorpion in there.
Scorpio.
It's right there. You see it?
Scorpions are nice. Oh. The sand is moving. It's right here. There it is. Look at it.
Is that a snake?
It looks like
Yep, a sand boa snake. You see? Oh my goodness.
It's over here.
Yes, it's moving.
No, come over here.
I see it right there. You see? Look at this.
Okay.
It's going into the ground.
Oh my
Catfish.
What's in here?
On that side, you can see its tail.
It's moving through the
Look,
sand.
look.
Oh my gosh. This is huge.
It's a python.
A python. A bubble. A fish in there. Oh my God.
They maybe got it.
Look how big they are.
It's maybe at the zoo.
Look at that one.
Is that you? No, look at this one.
Jesus.
Look at this one. It's a rat snake.
A what? What kind of snake? Corn snake. And an eastern rat snake.
Eastern king snake.
That's a corn. Eastern king snake. Oh wow. It's big.
It's the turtle that we had in our classroom.
Look how big it is.
Yeah, this is how big he would have got.
Hi.
He's been swimming this way the entire time. Hey.
It's huge. Come. Do not tap on the glass, okay? I don't see the frog. Oh, it's over there hiding. Oh, that's not a frog. Is that a snake in there? That's a frog. What? Wow. Don't look like a frog, but I guess it is. It's neat. Where is it at? It's somewhere in here. I don't see him. Your bearded dragon. Where's the bearded dragon at, y'all? Oh, hi. You are huge. Hello. Hello. Like you don't get the Asian blue tongue skink. Yes. Looks like a snake. Ooh. Hi.
The gecko?
A brooding hawk. Hi. 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 Screech owl.
I don't like how he stared at my mother like that.
Look at it. Hi. He said, "Are you okay?"
Its eye twitched.
It's
Mm.
They have a 6.3 minute.
Why aren't you?
Hello. Hello. You can't smell.
Just like how like a honey badger got on the skin.
It's awake. It's looking.
Red.
No, that's what they call a cat.
Red. No. Red.
No, that's what they call.
No.
Hi. That thing feels good. Huh? Hi. Hi. Oh, you sleepy? The roosters.
We're the only one who makes.
What's a rooster do?
He's the one who makes.
Yeah, pretty.
The rooster is the one who mates. How do peacocks do self-defense?
How many? 1, 2, there's 3 of them.
Yep.
That blue is beautiful. Hello.
Why are you?
Hi. Hi. Hello. Hi. Hi.
They're running away from you. Just a second, you were so big and tough. What's wrong? What's the problem?
Oh.
You talking back. I'll make you
Hi.
into some turkey stew.
No, you won't. Don't say that.
I'm trying
Be
to...
nice to the Dorito man.
No. What?
Matt.
It's too hot.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, too.
Oh yeah, that's way was there.
There's a
Hi.
cow in there.
I don't want to get mad cows with me.
There's a foot. Oh, uh-oh. Nay. Nay.
Oh.
Nay.
Nah. It almost fell.
Mm-hmm. So there's a pump. All right, so we are currently going to the side where there's a park. There's also a carousel here and a mini golf course, but we didn't go to that side. We're going to the playground and then we're gonna head in. Yeah, it is extremely hot outside and they're a tad bit hungry. So we're headed in. You guys enjoy the rest of the video. Again, this is the park, and I'll be back. It's a cool hat. Hey guys, that's the end of our trip. We are headed in the house. You guys don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more daily content. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like the video. Peace out.